It may look simple, but it isn't. Your garage door is a massive counterbalance system. It's made up of a torsion spring or extension springs. It's got bearings, pulleys, cables, bottom brackets. Everything's under intense motion and force. Torsion springs and extension springs are what the counterbalance system makes your garage door feel absolutely weightless. Over time, those parts wear out, become defective, and break down. How do you know when it's time to replace those parts? Let's start with the springs. Those are the most important, biggest functioning piece of your garage door and also the most dangerous. Most garage door manufacturers supply springs that are meant to last about 10,000 cycles. Average person today is using their door 5-6 times a year, about 2,000 times, which makes your garage door only last 5 years before the parts start to break down. At Precision, we use only quality springs. Our springs are powder coated and shot peened and last up to 75,000 cycles. Only trained professionals like ourselves should repair and replace garage door springs. Garage door springs create a lot of force. That force is then what creates the garage door to go up and down. When that force is eliminated by the spring breaking, that door becomes a 150-pound wall. If your garage door has 2 springs, both springs should be replaced simultaneously because that same wear and tear that's on the broken spring is on the exact same spring that's still intact. That wear and tear will inevitably break and cause future damage and heartache. A squeaking spring can grow louder, and if it does, should be inspected by a trained professional. Next, let's turn our attention to the cables. Those are what take the power from the springs to the door themselves. Those cables can become rusted and fray. If you see that, you should call a professional immediately. If a garage door cable breaks, that door can become crooked, uneven, or even fall. Tamper-resistant brackets are on your garage door and can be noticed by either red lag bolts or even warning stickers telling you that they're under high, intense pressures and a danger to touch. Tamper-resistant brackets are there to prevent future damage and even possible injury. Your garage door is made up of powerful, functioning, moving pieces that work precisely together to make it the biggest functioning, moving piece of your home. When your garage door is maintained properly and professionally, that garage door functions effortlessly and smoothly. If you need expert help or would like more insights, please contact your local Precision Door Service team. Precision Garage Door Service is here to help keep your garage door and your family safe.